So we just discovered how to figure out a why, how to discover the why of a teammate, a loved one, a colleague, and so on. And what's really great about that is now we can get to the why matrix. The why matrix is the tool that you use to discover the whys of all of your team members and write them down. So the why matrix looks like this. Over here we have all the different whys listed: to find a better way, to make sense out of the complex, to contribute to a greater cause, to be trustworthy. And then you can fill in the names over on this side of the various people on your team who have the differing whys, which enables you to get a complete picture of all of the different people and their whys on one sheet, see where you might have a gap, where you have a concentration of people, how the whole thing works together. Again, this is called the why matrix. Very, very powerful. You suddenly find yourself saying, I have a lot of people who enter the blank, or I don't have anybody who enter the blank. And that can be super powerful information, especially as your team grows and becomes bigger and you recognize that actually you want a complete cross-section to really have a super powerful team. Obviously, if you're in business by yourself, this will be a tool that you will use as you grow your business. So as you start growing your business, every time someone new comes in, you do their why and you put it on the why matrix. Here's their name, this is their why. Here's the different whys, there's their name. Very, very straightforward, simple, yet super, super powerful, because when you see it on a piece of paper, it's totally different than when it's kind of halfway swirling around your brain, like maybe you have a sense of what your team members do, and maybe you have an idea of where your strengths and weaknesses are, but it's not in writing in a clear representation on paper that you can then use to assess the strength of your organization, where everybody fits. So that's the why matrix, and it goes along with what we just learned about how to discover your why. Next thing we're going to talk about is how we bring this unique gift, your why, to life inside your business. And that includes both your why as the business owner or your why as a team member. Either way, we're going to talk about how we bring that to life. We call that your how. And so from this point forward, we're going to be focused on your how, and how the how of all the team members makes the whole business, the whole concept cohesive, and how, when you know all this information, you can put it to use in your business. So I really think you're going to get a great deal out of this module, and enjoy the next video.